In this lecture of vector space, the statement is the necessary and sufficient condition for a non-empty set W of a vector space V have to be a subspace of V if AB belongs to F, alpha beta belongs to W, then A alpha plus B beta belongs to W. Proof. Necessary condition. W is a subspace of vector space VF. W, then W must be closed with respect to scalar multiplication and vector addition. There are two operations. A belongs to F, alpha belongs to W, then A alpha belongs to W, B belongs to F, beta belongs to W, then B beta belongs to W, A alpha belongs to W, B beta belongs to W, then A alpha plus B beta belongs to W, AB belongs to F, alpha beta belongs to W, then A alpha plus B beta belongs to W. That is necessary condition. Sufficient condition, sufficient condition. Suppose W is a non-empty set. W is a non-empty set. Satisfy following properties. AB belongs to F, alpha beta belongs to W, then A alpha plus B beta belongs to W. Equation 1. Let if A equals to 1, B equals to 1, then 1 into alpha plus 1 into beta equals to alpha plus beta belongs to W. W is closed with respect to vector addition. If A equals to -1, B equals to 0, then from first -1 into alpha, 0 into beta, minus alpha belongs to W. W is closed. Negative elements or minus alpha is additive inverse. If A equals to 0, B equals to 0, then for equation 1 from first 0 belongs to W. 0 is additive identity. the elements of W also element of V, then W is associative as well as commutative. Right, students? Hence we can say V plus is an abelian group. Suppose if beta equals to 0, equation 1, A alpha plus B into B 0 equals to A alpha belongs to W. W is closed with respect to scalar multiplication. The other operations also hold in W. Then we can say vector space, then we can say vector subspace W is closed with respect to vector addition and scalar multiplication. Hence proved. Students, this is the question of vector subspace. The statement of this question is: prove that the set of all solutions ABC of equation A plus B plus 2C is a subspace of vector space V3R. Let us suppose W is a set let W equals to ABC for all A plus B plus 2C equals to 0. Let alpha equals to A1, B1, C1 for all A1 plus B1 satisfy the condition beta equals to A2, B2, C2, A2 plus B2 plus 2C2 equals to 0. To prove W is a subspace of V3R, A alpha plus B beta, A into alpha, A1, B1, C1 plus B, A2, B2, C2, A1 plus BA2, AB1 plus BB2, AC1 plus BC2. That is the relation AA1 plus BA2 by the definition AB1 plus BB2 plus 2 AC1 plus BC2 A1 plus B1 plus 2c1 plus b a2 plus b2 plus 2c2 a into 0 by the definition b into 0 0 a alpha belongs to w, a alpha plus b beta belongs to equals to 0. We can say a b belongs to f and alpha beta belongs to w, then a alpha plus b beta belongs to w. Hence, W is a subspace of vector space V3R. We explain it's again. Let us suppose W equals to ABC, whose definition A plus B plus 2C equals to 0. Let us suppose alpha equals to A1 B1 C1. By the definition A1 plus B1 plus 2C1 0. Beta equals to A2 B2 C2. By the definition A2 plus B2 plus 2C2 equals to 0. And we also prove W is a subspace, that is A alpha plus B beta, putting the value of alpha and beta and operating, and by the definition, that is we can assume A B C, A plus B plus 2C, and operating, putting the values of this definition 0 belongs to W, we can say W is a subspace of vector space VF. That's all.